Guys, quick video of how to remove your E70 BMW X5 front door. Apply for any of the doors. So what do you need? Those are the bolts. Held by 13 socket 13 millimeter M8 nut, two pieces, one on the top, one on the bottom right here. Then you have the door limiter bolt E11. Finally you have the cables held by 8 millimeter socket 8 millimeter bolt, which we are going to remove right now. That's the bolt. It's kind of lift up, and then there is the connector. So you need a flat screwdriver, or maybe by hand we can pull up. Okay. Pull it up. I think that's enough. No. You need two hands. Definitely two hands better. That's it. Then your door is free. And voila, door is gone.